back. Today I've got Indian food for today's mukbang. I've got lamb vindaloo. This is my favorite Indian dish. Got a chicken biryani. Got some papadams, some vegetable samosas, garlic naan, Indian desserts. Let's get into it, guys. I love papadams. The crunch. Someone asked for an Indian mukbang, so I thought, yeah, I love Indian food, so I need to try some of these sauces, see what they are. There's a plum sauce, I think. That looks deadly. Wow, that's got a good kick. First it's sweet, and then it just punches you in the face. I love that. That's delicious. This on the samosas. Oof. Let's give one of these samosas a crack. I love this Indian restaurant near me. It is so damn good. Delicious. Off to a good start here. I've been trying to get back into some work this week after being away for the weekend. Went down to Sydney. Weather was atrocious. So bad. It was still funny. Alright, I finished this last samosa. I'm not normally a biryani guy. I'm normally just a lamb vindaloo. I thought I'd do something a bit different today. Keep things spicy, you know? I'm just loving this chili dip right now. Samosa's done. Let's see what this is like. Okay. It's got like almonds in it. Give it like a nice crunch. Chicken is amazing. So tender. Fucking good. Needs some sauce though. This bad boy. Papadums. One more. Alright, we need to open this Coke. I've been craving Coke today. Try not to scull it because I want more after, you know? I don't want to run out. That felt fucking amazing. That was a solid burp too. I might actually finish all of this. Say that now. I really love, they just have these little almonds in them. It's just so nice. So nice. That's beautiful. I might have changed my mind about biryani. I was never much of a biryani guy, but this, I would order that again in a heartbeat. I feel like I need to get into this naan bread. Looks a bit sad just sitting there. We need to get into this. Some of that, some chicken, chili. Every time I bite into this, I just get like this nice, satisfying, crunchy almond, and then I bite into like the tender chicken, and I'm just like, oh, so good. Whoever said Indian mukbang, thank you. This is amazing. Just looking very red. Oh, did you see? Oh, that lamb is just so tender. That is so tender. What the hell? That's amazing. Coke. Kinda wish I got 2 Cokes now. My mouth is kind of burning a little bit. It's burning up. It's really burning up. Oh, that is delicious. I'm just getting so full. Spice is definitely cleaning. I can't even talk. Clearing me out. Okay, we are at the final boss. Sure looks interesting. Alright, let's see what these are all about. Interesting. Not what I was expecting. Not sure how I feel about these. They're growing on me. I was expecting it to be more like a donut, but it's different. Oh, so fucking full. Let's get in stock. I'm just so full. This is it right here. That's how full my stomach is. I can barely swallow air. That's pretty solid. even burp words right now. Look at that. Alright, I'm just too full. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you have any suggestions for the next mukbang, it would be much appreciated. Alright, peace out.